Now, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has hit out at Rhea Chakravarti after Rhea made some serious allegations against Ankita during an exclusive interview to India Today yesterday. Rhea in that interview slammed Ankita for claiming to be on talking terms with Sushant despite not being in touch with him for the last 4 years. Well, rubbishing this allegation, Ankita said she never claimed to be in touch with Sushant post their breakup. Ankita clarified that while shooting for Manikarnika, Sushant had commented on one of her posters wishing her luck, to which she replied out of courtesy. Ankita also offered a rebuttal to Rhea's suggestion that the flat she is living in was paid for by Sushant. Ankita said she earlier clarified that she was paying the EMIs for that flat. Ankita also contradicted Rhea's confession on Sushant's mental health, saying he never suffered depression or visited a psychiatrist while they were together. Ankita went on to say that she firmly stands by Sushant's family, who have chats to prove that Rhea persuaded him towards the end.
सुशांत को डिप्रेशन था, वो इतना सिवियर एंजाइटी उसको शुरू में था, एंजाइटी पैनिक अटैक्स, कि वो एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट से खुद मिलना चाहते थे. उन्होंने ये रिक्वेस्ट की. कब मिली थी वो लास्ट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत से? कब उनकी आखिरी बात हुई थी? मेरा मानना है 4 साल पहले. कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स चेक कर लीजिए. आई एम क्वाइट सर्टेन उनकी कोई बात नहीं हुई है. पूरे जून के महीने में वो अपनी बहनों से, अपने पिताजी से लगातार फोन पे बात करते रहे. मैंने बोला मैं जाती हूं, पर एक ही कंडीशन है मेरी कि आपकी बहन जो बॉम्बे में रहती हैं, गोरेगांव में रहती हैं, मीतू जी, वो आए, वो यहाँ होंगी तो मैं जाऊंगी.
He was so passionate about each and everything in his life. He can't do it. He can't just finish his life. He can't do that. It's a wrong thing to say. He can't get depressed. Why will he get depressed? There has to be a reason for the depression, right? What was the reason? See, अगर आप किसी पे इल्जाम लगाते हो, तो I'm sure you have so many views. They must have something at least, you know, to prove it. They must have something to show people. Definitely she left. And अगर आपको पता है कि he was not well, because if you say so, then why would you leave somebody like that? आपको फिर या तो आपको पेरेंट्स को बताना चाहिए. अगर मैं होती तो मैं ये करती.
Sushant Mehta, our entertainment editor who did that interview with Ankita Lokhande, is with me live. Sushant, multiple points on which Ankita has taken exception and hit out at the things that have been said by Rhea pertaining to Ankita and Sushant's relationship.
Yes, well, Ankita's whole argument shift from day one has been based on the FIR filed by the parents. If you remember, the day that the parents filed an FIR against Rhea, she posted on Instagram saying truth wins. Similarly, Rhea Chakrabarti also did a video saying Satyamev Jayate. So it's truth, her truth versus Rhea's truth. And what Rhea has mentioned, and which Ankita also told me, that she hadn't met Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 4 years, which she's now acknowledged on Twitter as well. Rhea's point is that when Ankita did not know him in the last 4 years, she did not know about what was going on in his head and in his life. She had no idea about what was going on, what troubles he was going through, as Rhea claims that, you know, he had this mental illness, he was suffering from bipolar disorder. So Ankita was not aware of all these things, but Ankita maintains that she believes the parents, because while she was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, she still claims that she was in touch with the parents, and she knows the parents really well because she had a long, about 7-8 year relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput.
Sushant, thanks very much for that. It looks like there's going to be more of a slanging match coming up, as more of what Rhea Chakravarti tells the CBI now also gets reported. It's likely to become even more fodder for this animosity that has broken out between the ex-girlfriend and Rhea Chakravarti. Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Rhea Chakravarti's explosive claim to India Today that Sushant was depressed has led to a controversy of its own. Rhea claimed that Sushant had bipolar disorder and was seeking treatment for it. She also added that Sushant was regularly having depressive bouts, and also alleged that Sushant used to feel claustrophobic on flights and used to take a tablet called modafinil before boarding flights. Meanwhile, Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti in her Twitter post says that it was Rhea who convinced Sushant that he was not well and took him to psychiatrists. Now Kangana Ranaut, who is at the forefront of the Justice for Sushant campaign, has shared an old video of Sushant enjoying paragliding to rubbish Rhea's claim that Sushant was claustrophobic. Kangana also maintained that Sushant has no history of mental illness until Rhea came to his life, and took a dig at Rhea's claim on Sushant's mental health. And here's
यूरोप के ट्रिप जाने वाले दिन सुशांत ने मुझे बोला कि और सबको बताया कि उसको फ्लाइट में बैठने से बहुत क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया है और उसके लिए वो एक दवाई लेता है जिसका नाम है मोडाफिनिल और उसके पास वो दवाई हमेशा रहती थी और उसने फ्लाइट जाने से पहले वो खुद ही ले ली. ही डिडंट इवन हैव टू गेट अ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. उनको नहीं लेना पड़ा क्योंकि उनके पास ऑलरेडी वो दवाई थी. प्रोबेबली हर फ्लाइट से पहले वो लेते होंगे. और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि 2013 में उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ था जब उनको एक डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड हुआ था और वो एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट को मिले थे जिनका नाम शायद मिस्टर हरेश शेट्टी है. और उन्होंने ही उस सुशांत को ये मोडाफिनिल वाली दवाई प्रिस्क्राइब की थी. बिकॉज बाय देन आई स्टार्टेड सस्पेक्टिंग कि यार क्या हुआ, लाइक आर यू अनवेल, आपको बुखार है, आप क्यों नहीं, what's happening?
Keep watching India Today for further news and updates. You can always log on to indiatoday.in or download the India Today app at the forefront of the Justice for Sushant campaign. Here on India Today, we get you the very latest. Riya Chakravarti currently being interrogated by the CBI. All the